Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on making money online. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn money just by watching video ads. And the best part? You only need to watch 30 seconds of each ad to earn $4. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. The platform we're going to be using is called AdWallet. AdWallet is a website that pays you to watch video ads from their sponsors. It's a great way to earn some extra cash in your free time, and it's completely free to sign up. Here's how it works. After you sign up for AdWallet, you'll start receiving video ads to watch. Each ad is only 30 seconds long, and you'll earn $4 for each one you watch. The ads are usually from big brands and companies, so you might even learn about some new products or services while you're watching. But how often do you get ads to watch? Well, it varies. Sometimes you might get multiple ads a day, while other times you might not get any. But the more active you are on the site, the more ads you'll receive. One thing to keep in mind is that you'll need to complete a quick survey after watching each ad. This is to ensure that you actually watched the ad and paid attention. But don't worry, the surveys are quick and easy to complete, and they don't take up much of your time. So, how much money can you actually make with AdWallet? Well, it depends on how often you receive ads to watch, but some users have reported earning up to $200 per month just by watching video ads. That's a decent amount of extra cash for just a few minutes of your time each day. Of course, AdWallet isn't going to make you rich, but it's a great way to earn some extra money in your free time. And who doesn't want a little extra cash? It's also worth noting that AdWallet pays out via PayPal, so you'll need a PayPal account to receive your earnings. One thing to keep in mind when using AdWallet or any other similar platform is to be wary of scams. Make sure you're using a legitimate platform and don't give out any personal information or payment information to sites that seem sketchy. In conclusion, watching video ads on AdWallet is an easy and fun way to earn some extra cash in your free time. It's a legitimate platform that pays you for your time, and it's completely free to sign up. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video was helpful in showing you how to make money online by watching video ads in 2023.